Hey everybody. So today we're going to look at a 1941 Plymouth by AMT. I got to tell you guys, this kit was kind of cool. Let's just spin it around real quick for you and I'll just describe it up real quickly for you. So this kit was actually fairly easy. Mine had a lot of flash on it, so there was a lot of flash to take care of. It went together fairly easy. I did mine, as you can see, in Tamiya metallic blue. Now, I'm not lying to you when I tell you there's probably about 50 to 60 coats of floor polish I put on it. I did a little silver trim on what would be the chrome markings there. Very, very nice. Black washed out the grill. Put all the chrome pieces on, obviously. The wheels are actually, it comes with two sets of wheels because you're supposed to build like a stock or sport. The wheels I actually used from the AMT 68 Roadrunner. I thought those looked pretty cool because of the engine package I used. It comes with an inline 6 and a V8. I'll show you. I put the V8 in a second. As you can see, I got the side pipes on. I'll show you underneath here in a second. This here body didn't sit too well on that side, but that's okay. The interior I just did red and yellow. Kind of offset the blue a little bit. I wish I didn't use the yellow because it kind of looked, made it look a little toyish. But when you open up the the hood, it goes wonk. The red in it is a pretty cool accent there. There is the V8. Like I said, it went together really, really well. Nothing special about it. So you flip it over, and you got the side pipes on it there. You see, I forgot to paint underneath the interior tub. I did it all red. Kind of kept it simple. I was originally going for kind of a show car look. That's why everything was all one color underneath. It didn't quite work the way I expected it to, but I'm still pretty happy with it. Put the hood back on. It did come with the little 6-cylinder here, which I built, painted up. I think this looks really cool. Wish I had something to put it in, maybe later on down the line. Alright, well, that's part of the model kit, that's why I'm showing it to you. But yeah, hey, this was a fun kit to do. I didn't have any major problems with it. It went pretty well. I think this back piece here is on wrong. I'm not too sure on that. But yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this. It's a recommended kit. And that's my review. I don't have a lot to review on it. It was a good kit. Like I said, mine had a lot of flash. This was the Coca-Cola release, I probably should say. So the decals had all the Coke logos on it. Alright everybody, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate if you're subscribed, that you are subscribed. And I appreciate if you're not subscribed, hey, go ahead and subscribe. So I'll catch you guys later in a bit. And don't forget to hit the like button. Alright, catch you guys later.